Bhagavad Gita, its essence. Copyright and audio, Muneen Mishra. Chapter 3, Selfless Action, Duty. Herein, performance of duties obligatory to all its ascertained, explained totally. Lord Krishna explains how it be the duty of every member to carry out responsibilities in all stages of life as per rules of society. Why duties be performed, what benefit be, what harm caused by non-performing clearly, what actions lead to bondage, salvation finally. Arjun, O Krishna, I am perplexed in this reaction. If detached meditation be superior to action, why urge to dreadful war accomplishment? I pray guide me, show me enlightenment. Krishna, there be two paths to salvation, knowledge and of selfless action. But if he discards action altogether, freedom lost here, salvation hereafter. You cannot from action be free, for it be your nature, but truly action and reaction you will see. Nature enforces each to act surely. If he discards altogether the action, to nature impels acts, reactions. Man attains here neither freedom and not hereafter any salvation. It be hypocrisy, action suppressing, and indulging in sensual yearnings, mastering senses, discarding attachments, man then excels, engaged in action. In action, inferior to duty performance be, for work is the substance of the body. Let your labor be ever so dedicated. Action grows, attachments undedicated. Man from divine sacrifice emerged he. Lord ordained, sacrifice fulfills destiny. For sacrifice bonds with him truly, and minister not to yourself only. Action and sacrifice, human and divine, reaps grain, crops growth, life sublime. In deathless, innate, sacrificial action be, the be-all, end-all of creation to see. Sacrifice and action are but truly inherent in his nature and creativity. Not to grasp this cycle and abstain from action is a sin, a shame. Blessed be he who in inner self immersed, with divine contentment be fully versed, nothing to look for and nothing to gain, action or inaction, it be all the same. King Janak, other saints attained divinity, acting not for self, but for humanity. Act without attachment, the result will be and your attainment of divinity. For me, no achievement is left truly, yet I in action continuously do be. If I stop action, the universe will be at its end, in destruction, chaos short. Ignorant toil for results. Wise selflessly lays the trail for detached action clearly. For the common weal, path to eternity, for the benefit of the entire humanity. Action flows from the inherent qualities of nature. To perceive you act is your own failure. Act accrue on objects by senses qualities, not diluted claims deed as your authority. Ignorant gripped by coils of materialism, while wise heed not such accumulation, dedicating to Lord all their action, on Atma their mind's full concentration. Unthinking of hope or gain in activity, will full faith working as my emissary, he be released from bondage dreary of karma, else be lost, but certainly. Each is prone to follow his nature, his senses drawn by earthly pleasure. Submit not to them, they be your foe, else you will reap whatever you sow. Better one's own duty, be it humble, than that of another, else you'll stumble. Better to risk death at the post of duty than perils of intrusion on others surely. Arjun, tell me, Lord, what cause there be, tell me, Keshav, who it be truly, who lures a man into life of sin, despite himself finds self-pinned. Krishna, lust, anger are the enemies of man, when even the wisest deluded stand. Insatiable like the fire consuming, passion, his decision but obscuring. Entering the heart, mind, senses lures, man into temptation having no cures. Control your senses which be so raw, remove these wisdom's enemy for sure. Higher than senses be the heart, higher still the mind apart, and beyond it but does be truly the divine Atma, most certainly. To path of self-realization be, you overcoming your senses truly. Then you shall emerge victoriously, conquering enemies within sure.